some charlatans will not stop to amaze me. If there is anything I can do, if Akwa is innocent, please do not hesitate to contact me. Hello? Are you not the same nobody that JPAG was busy placing call on Zone 13? Hey, madam, we have done the job. You asked me to escort the vigilante and the men that came to molest Ogechi at the station. Madam, you know I don't have no petition here. When is the Interpol coming? Excuse me. Or JPAC can contact you. Madam, which kind of showcase you want to showcase? Or JPAC will contact you. You don't know how you reach out JPAC in Bidioji. Koga one on one. You don't know how to reach out JPAC. Now you coming at a line. I can't. If there is any way, JPAC can. You are nobody. Looking at this blue app. Now offer one thing, just little. Ige kwete no neme. Iga basuru get the dance. The journey that you will dance, and I will add to your BP, to your worst enemy. I will make sure that I crush the day you begin to send those charlatans to come and arrest me. I told you the 15 minutes fame they gave you. I will make sure they can scratch it. All for one ben toge meginanya. You will be so amazed. You will be so Ogechi like one of these blew up. If I not do a man, Ima, I have a lot of calls. People that have been talking to me to cool down. But I can say you keep poking on me. That does not mean that I'm in Nigeria, then you have the audacity to poke on me. You are nobody to, even in my grave, I will still fight you to eternity. You want to go? Now listen, you nobody. Stop showcasing because you got nothing to offer. And when you see when you are nobody. Let me tell you, Akwa is not the only person that people arrested. Just because I am intentionally on a matter. That was why you came out to be the one to defend Akwa Okuko. And yes, Jesus was arrested. What they call it? Akeke was arrested. Just that I am not putting mouth in those ones because I know that Akwa is the architect. Akwa is the foundation. Akwa is the most dangerous one among them. The so-called weird belly face, your errand boy. That's your errand boy that you sent an errand with the 2K. With the 2K. What is busy mocking others? But why are you not campaigning for others to be bailed out, for them to reach out to you? You are nobody. People got mad at you are nobody in due time, and I maintain my works. You know why I'm making all these videos in Nigeria? To also remind you, the day I will step my foot in state, I'm not from Nigeria now. No. I'm still in the States. And I'm still in this country telling you how I feel. Now listen. Keep poking me and I will keep giving it to you. Keep poking pain and the pain will keep wiring you. You are nobody. You can't help Akwa. You want to use me as shine. I've told you. I will be the one to crush you. And when I got little 15 minutes fame, I got my crush again. If I don't do a man or woman, nemoromo, I shall get your warombo, and then go got little hot. I got me negi. If I teach you with a BP, I got me negi take a BP. Go and get Akwa out now. You're looking for who to contact. Bitch, you have been contacting JPAC. JPAC has been on your errand boy. JPAC has been your errand boy. From time memorial, honey. Have you forgotten? You don't know his number anymore. You want to come out and use Ogechi to showcase your empty life, to showcase your boutique boro clothes, to showcase your nonsense, your fake gold, your apale chan, to showcase your low life nothing, to showcase your 1 naira and your 2 naira. Because actually, I want to provoke. And let's say on Monday you will go and I want to provoke you the more. I want you to showcase your power, because after all these things you couldn't do shit. Oh God, Diego, look at you. You want to come and clap for Akwa for murdering our innocent children. You want to come and clap for Akwa for using our young virgins to do Okeke. You want to come and support Akwa because you know that Ogechi is in Akwa case. The same thing you did in Chimaro Onyara case. Because you know I am fighting him. You came out and you took over. The same thing that lured you into this mess. You will not mind your business. That thing will be your end. If I not do it, when I did the chief, I'm respecting some folks around me, trying to tell me Ogechi down here for Otabulago. But you keep poking me. Anytime you poke me, I will come out and poke you 1 million times. Fuck you, fucking nigga, fucking nigga, fuck anything that made you who you think you are. Nobody cannot talk when I'm talking because you remain nobody. Akwa Okuko will face the law. Akwa Okuko will face everything Osurudo is doing. Akwa Okuko will face all the atrocity. Akwa Okuko needs to be audited. Akwa Okuko needs to be investigated. Akwa Okuko needs to tell us how he's making his money with no certificates, with no educational background, with nothing. Anambra State must be good again. J-Pack must be arrested. Mark my words. J-Pack will go in. Go and save this pack. J-Pack or J-Pipe. What is about to hold? What is about to before you? Don't say I didn't warn you. You will get the test of this time. If you like, you praise Sorudo. If you like, you come out and praise Sorudo. He's the best governor. People have known you, J-Pipe. People have known that you don't amount to anything good. People have known you that any direction your belly face, that is who you are. Go and answer your madam that sent you an errand that you couldn't. Soon. Okay, man. Ndala in be bothered because Ogechi is talking against Akwa. As you're poking me, peace you will never have. Look at you. Go and bail Akwa now. Remember when you was agitating for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been in detention and your power could not do anything. Fake ass bitch. You can't offer nothing. You have nothing to showcase and you have nothing to offer. You cannot use me arise. Come on, Shaggy. Come on, Benny Yagi. Go and mark my way. You can never use me to rise. Okay, me people are making away here. I have story to tell. I have story to tell. I will tell people who you come, but stop. As soon as you poke me, I'm gonna give you 1 million. Go and help Akwa. And no wonder your Okita is there. Your Kayamata Okita is there. How you're telling our women to use 77p. Your Kayamata Okita no there. Empty brain that has nothing to offer. Oh, Igari, look at me. Look at me. Empty brain with going to boutique, borrowing 1 naira, 2 naira clothes every time person no go here. Come on, bring something to you. Bring something that people will look up and say they have anything to offer. You are empty kom. Your career to kom. Your appearance to kom. You have nothing upstairs. Each one are doing the channel rubbish they get post. Can you put 1 or 2 together? On your you can write rubbish, but you can't speak rubbish. Ndala. Go and bell Akwa, idiot. Chimari ninge get nama. Ninge get na is a pound. On fighter, you become their friend. I can make you fair. Bastard.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section, subscribe. Thank you for watching.